How to connect a PS4 controller to any iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily pair your PS4 controller to an iPhone using Bluetooth. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is put our Bluetooth controller in pairing mode. And we just simply do that by holding down the PlayStation button and the share button at the same time. You should see the light start blinking. That means that the controller is in pairing mode. From there, open up the settings on your iPhone and then find Bluetooth. Once Bluetooth opens up, you should see other devices at the bottom and you should see DualShock 4 wireless controller. Select that. If you don't see that, that means your controller is no longer in pairing mode, so go ahead and put it back in pairing mode. Once it says connected next to DualShock 4, that means the controller is now paired with our iPhone and we can start using it to play games. Once you have it connected, you'll then be able to open up games and play it just like you would on your PS4. And that's how you connect a PS4 controller to your iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.